All right, here's a walk around video demonstration of this 2010 Ford Econoline. I'll point out any items as we come across them and look around. Overall, the vehicle's in great shape. Got a little bit of road wear from dings, dents, scratches, that type of thing. But the car itself is in great shape. You've got good tires on here. Paint's in good condition. That raised roof isn't fading or anything. The body is straight and true. Weather stripping here, the plastic itself is starting to wear out since the vehicle is 11 years old. Dent there in the 3/4 panel. Little dent here. Overall, great shape. Okay, so I have the vehicle running. The vehicle is in park, and I have the emergency brake on. So I'll show you how this lift works. So some high tops only have the roof being raised. This actually has the metal doors that have been extended as well. The reason that's important is because you get the full height out of the door system that way. So you can see the lift goes all the way up. So with the lift itself, then you can turn it on here, and that little green light will be on. There's also some lights on the lift that'll illuminate, you know it's working. Okay, so we press and hold on the fold button, unfold button. That's gonna have the lift come out. And then we press and hold on the down button, and that'll come down. The reason those are separate is when you're lifting back up, you don't want it to automatically fold in until the person that's on the lift is off of there. So it's separate controls. Okay, so then the person in the wheelchair would roll on, and then they have these grab bars if you need them. Otherwise, as you are clicking up, that little foot plate back there is going to stop you from rolling backwards. So then this lifts up, and that folds down. So then once you get inside, we have wheelchair tie downs that accompany the vehicle in that box there, and they go on this strip. So you have a ton of room in this section here for the wheelchair passenger. This is a nice interior that they had done through BraunAbility. So you have metal light shades inside of that high top. Very unique situation where it's really industrial. You have rear vents. So you have two sets of seats, so you double bench and a single seat, and then another double bench here. That way you can load in and out of the door here. And then up front you've got your standard radio, 2-zone AC and heat system. This is the interlock. That's the reason you had to have the parking brake on, and a few other things. All those illuminate to make sure you don't drive the vehicle away when the ramp is out. Okay, so back on the lift system here. Grab the remote, we go down. This is a Braun Century 2 lift. So the statistics are right here. This is installed in 2010. It's an 800-pound capacity model. So then we go back up with the lift. And then we have it fold in right there when everybody's clear. That remote just hangs back there, and then we shut this. Some instruction guides right there on the door for you too. I'll go ahead and turn that lift system off. Other than that, pretty straightforward Ford Econoline chassis. So great conversion done with a nice lift on a good reliable vehicle. Thank you so much for watching.